Alright, everybody, this is box number 6, my final one. Isn't that what everybody says? But really, I do. Because I just was going to play the whatever Tops gave you game. But then I couldn't get any, so then Scott had to hook me up. Who knows? Maybe we'll see. If there was some maybe still available. Nice swing box. November 21st, 2023. Alright, there it is. This has to be our 1-for-1. I need to get some of these on the board just, for tracking reasons only, obviously. Because, we just like to know where the 1-for-1s are at. And if they're here, then that makes me happy. Let's take a look. GPK. Do my list. Nope. There you go. Mental Money. So I just got that one. Yeah, got that one last time. Hoodoo. No, don't need that. Oh, yeah, I do. I just got that one. Megan's trainer. No, I got that one last time. Let's mark that Hoodoo off though really quick. Just because I'm gonna get all excited and be like, no, I don't need it. I see something in there. 75 liquid metal. Could be worse. Could have cut and poked in the eye with a sharp stick. That would have been way worse. But yeah, liquid metal 75. Looks clean. Let's see. Let's to the left a little bit and possibly down. But yeah, 65 of 75 liquid metal. We got cool cut 232B. Clear stare 229A. Nope, don't need any of those. Alright, liquid metal, 65 of 75. Maybe we'll get lucky and this will be a 5-hit box. That was pack number 2. Here's pack number 3. Half color Clara. That is. Nope, I need the other one. Crystal, definitely have a few of those. Loose Spring, nope. Rigid Digit, nope. Gosh, these base cards, I wonder who has them all. Someone's hoarding them, give them to me. This is number 4. Man. Looks like Screaming Mimi, Jan Hind, John Clone. Nope, I need the B. And Seymour 211A. It is actually really funny though. A lot of these I used to notice would be go together. In other series, in series 5, if you put the backs of most of your packs together, they'll go together. So you can actually see where they were cut. It's really funny. They basically made puzzle pieces. Yeah, I see an aqua. 94 and 99, teed off Tom. That's a good one. Looks to be centered as well. Yeah, teed off tom is centered. A little Oreo over here. And a teed off tom right behind it. I'll take it. That was one of the ones I was looking for a while. Yeah, 94.99 teed off tom, 208B. Teed off tom, 94.99. That's our second one, right? Yeah, I gotta remember what the heck we got on this box. There we go. Keep them right here. That way we'll know. All right, what do we got? 3 packs left. Black in here, you see it? That, don't need that. Geriatric, 14 and 150. A little smudge on the top. Not too bad. And 240B. Not anything I needed. I can fix that little. Well, yeah, we'll do it next time. I got 2 packs left and 1 more hit, so it's got to be something good. Why is plastic stuck in these things? Like every one of these things, plastic chunk, plastic chunk. Jiminy Christmas. All right, let's go see what our final hit will be. One of these 2. This is also a good example why you don't buy individual packs outside of the boxes, because that means that someone got their 4 hits, took the rest of the packs out of that box because it has none in it, and they're going to sell them, or at least low probability. All right, 235A, don't need that one, don't need 231, don't need 244. There's a good nearly dead end. Don't need that one either, though. Let's try to see if they go together. No. Okay. Excellent. All right. Well, let's go see what our last one is. Let's go for a 1-for-1 right here. Trina Cleaner, 61 and 99. Wow. Huh. Okay, so Trina Cleaner, 61 and 99. Actually looks centered. Nice piece. Then we have 253B, don't need that. 225A, don't need that. And 229B. Nope, don't need that one either. Alright, well, that is it then. Looks like we got a 299s, a 75, and a 150. So, you know, and still not very many more base cards, but that's alright. You never know until you try. Trina Cleaner, teed off tom, which is actually a good one. It actually looks really good in the green, to be honest. That's actually really cool compared to the card, yeah, for sure. Trina Cleaner's not so much. Liquid metal. He looks pretty good. And good old geriatric. What can you do? All right, thanks everybody.